US crude trying to erase some of the gains and trading at the support levels at 87.4, 87.2 zone, and NG has shown a good bullish breakout, traded close to 6.1 levels. Now what to expect today, which position we should take in order to profit, where to buy, where to sell, we will try to see with the help of charts and indicators. Those who are new must subscribe the channel, as missing on to subscribe the channel is missing on the profits, as you will be also missing the daily updates which I share, and hence you have to also press the bell icon also. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start first. We'll look into yes crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly chart, first thing is double top, lower highs are seen. At the same time, higher lows are seen here. Yes, if you see oil trading below 87, sell there, and below 87 my next target is directly 86 or 85.8 levels, and hence you can remain short below 87. Certainly more bearishness can be seen, 86 and 85.8 levels to be the next target, and below that certainly you can expect further more drop for 85.5 levels. You have to wait for 87 levels to breach for in order to take a sell position. Directional movement crossing over for a sell, stochastic looking downwards, MACD crossing over for a sell, RSI is also looking downwards here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise you will find highs, higher, lower lows, lower highs, and hence it is trying to create a channel of its own, lower lows, lower highs. Here is the, if it reaches 87, certainly 86.6 levels, 86.7 levels to come to the rescue, and once it draws below 86.5, you can expect 86 directly, and below that certainly more bearishness can be seen. 85.5 levels is going to be the major support there on the downside. Directional movement taking a crossover on the bearish side. Stochastic is also tracking the crossover on the sell side. The MACD is divergent here again. MACD is trading bearish. It may try to take it into the sell side. RSI looking downwards, indicating bearishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, this is the first breakout candle, and potentially I will wait for the next candle. Once it trades below 87, certainly you can take a sell entry. 86.6, 86 is very good support, and then below that 85.5. These three are very strong support. Below that furthermore bearishness can be expected. Directional movement taking to converge, trying to cross over for a sell entry. I'll wait for the next candle which might confirm this. Stochastic looking downwards, it is also trying to take a crossover. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The candle size is increasing again. Potentially it may continue with the bearish momentum for a little while. RSI looking downwards, and look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, this is giving a breakout, lower highs, flat top, and yes, it is looking downwards. Here is the support at 87.4, 87.2, and then 87. Below that 86.6. 86 is the major support. Below 86 only more bearishness to be seen. 86, 85.5, 85, 84. Mark out these levels, and definitely there you can find a little bit of consolidation at every support level. Directional movement trying to converge crossover. Stochastic is also trying to converge crossover for a sell. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent. This is indicating increasing bearishness. It can give you very strong slide from here. You have to remain cautious. RSI looking downwards, indicating bearishness. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, lower highs are seen. After these lower highs, it is trying to reverse, but there is a support here at 86.6, 86.4 zone. Potentially it may try to attempt and achieve these levels before it tries to give you a rise, and breaking below 86, certainly more bearish to be seen. Directional movement is crossed over for a sell, but it is trading with very little divergence. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge from here. If it is bearish, it may try to cross over in next couple of days and then trade in bearishness. RSI looking downwards. Now see, potentially what it is trying to do is achieve lower highs, and hence potentially 86.6, 86.7 levels to be a very good support here, even if it tries to take downwards. Yes, you can sell at 87.2. if you just want to trade for half a dollar, you can expect 87, 86.6, 86.7 levels is a good support, then 86.4, and below that 86. Only and only if it trades below 86, you can confirm that the bearishness has kicked in and it is trying to drop from here. Else it can potentially show you a bounce back, and any bounce back confirmation is only above 88. two levels. So in between 87.2 and 88.2, do not try to take any position. In fact, on the downside till 86 levels, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss of just $0.2 or 20 cents. And yes, till 86 levels you have to trade with this trailing stop loss. Beyond that, certainly more bearishness might pitch in. Then you can expect 85.5. 85 as a very good support level on the downside. And yes, if you see it trading above 82 8.2, beyond 88.2, consider this for 88.6, 89.2, and then beyond that it is going to fly for $90. So take your positions accordingly. Between 87.2 and 88.2, do not take a position. Even if you are taking a position, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. You have to ensure that you have put the trailing stop loss of $0.2, or at least you have shifted your stop loss to your entry price such that your trade does not close in loss even if it tries to reverse. And if you see it trading in the same direction, you can retake the trade. So trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Missing on now will be missing on for next 1 month, and you will be delaying your profits. So don't delay in your investment in learning, and definitely you can cherish the learnings for life and reap the benefits throughout your life. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, and we are just trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details on same. Also, as become a pattern and support the effort. Now look at NG. NG on the hourly charts are trading overbought at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, and yes, it is trying to give you or show you a little pullback. Appears it has seen the peak out there. Potentially only if it breaks past 6.1, you can buy there at 6.1. So yes, if you see it trading at 6.1, you can definitely remain long for the day, and possibly we may see a little more bearishness. Else trading below 6.04, certainly you can expect there is lot much of downside to be seen, and then you can expect 5.94, 5.9 levels, and then this gap filling to be done, and it can try to drop till towards 5.8 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish here, trying to converge. Stochastic is extremely overbought, and it may try to show you some retracement. MACD is trying to, it has seen the highs, it is potentially trying to converge here. Be careful, and hence we may see a little drop from here. RSI potentially trading at the highs, it is looking downwards here. Look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, highs, lower highs. Yes, the candle is still of indecision. Higher lows are done. Yes, once you see it trading below 6 levels, certainly you can take a sell position. 5.94, 5.92 are very good support, and then below that you can expect a further drop. So in fact, you can take a sell position very early here. 6.04 itself, you can take a sell position for 6, which is a good support. Then 5.94, 5.92 levels should come into picture. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought. It is trying to cross over. Let's see if it does. MACD has just crossed over. This is second green candle, and hence it is, even if it tries to drop, it is just a retracement, and this is not going to be a extremely bearish retracement, but potentially slight little retracement which might give it enough opportunity to pull back again on the upside. So this is on the 2-hour charts. RSI trading flat near to the highs, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, this candle is of indecision, trading at extreme resistances, and on the downside support is there at 5.95, 5.96, which is very strong. Stochastic overbought. The MACD has just crossed over on the 3-hour charts. First green candle, it can sustain the bullish momentum. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the formation on the 4-hour charts. Directional movement potentially crossing over. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD potentially crossing over. I'll wait for the next candle for it to give you a greener candle. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts also, there is a resistance there at 6.2 level. So yes, 6.24 is the only level beyond which you can go for buying. You can expect a more bullishness. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is looking upwards. Considering this, yes, you can buy at 6.12, sell at 6.04, and in between these $0.8 or 0.80 cents, you have to trade with caution below 6.04. In fact, even if it tries to drop, there are going to be good support at 6, which is a good support, 5.96, 5.94, 5.92 till 5.92. There are major supports here. Below that, we may see a very good drop, which might try to take it till towards 5.8 level and fill the gap out there. Hence, you have to trade with caution. Right now, it is appearing to be bullish. Yes, you can buy there at 6.12. Beyond that, certainly you can expect 6.15, 6.2 and 6.24. Only above 6.24, it is going to show you extreme bullishness, and then it is going to fly from there. Hence, trade with caution in between 6.02 and 6.12 levels. For this $1, you have to, rather I'll say 6.04 itself, you can take a sell position, but then expect that on the downside the supports are going to be very strong, as it is trying to trade bullish. Potential of reversal exists, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group for more benefits. Thank you very much. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.